Guys, on this video I'm going to show you how to stop people from using curse words on your Facebook post. So whenever you leave a post on Facebook and you do not want them to use curse word on the post, this is what you should do. So go ahead and open Facebook application up, and then you go to your profile area, and next to edit profile you see the three-dotted icon. Click on that, and then the first section where it says follow setting, you click on it. Now you're going to scroll down to the bottom once this page loads, where it says block filter. You click on that, and then once this has loaded up, you are going to see the page area where you can add the words that you do not want to appear. So I'm going to add So I don't know so many curse word, but for your own case, go ahead and leave anything that comes to mind as a curse word. Go ahead and leave everything. Click on the keyboard drop down to drop down the keyboard, and then you hit save. So once you hit save, this is going to be saved, and when next you go there, you are going to see the words are already saved for you. So you can go ahead and add even more if you have. The limit is 1000. Go ahead and add as many curse words as you know. I do not know so many curse words, so I only left the ones that I am aware of. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.